Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of class 3 EVS, and today we are continuing our ongoing lesson, and that is sound, light and force. In our previous session we had learnt about sound, how we hear a sound, how sound is generated, what is a noise, what is the difference between noise and sound, that we have learnt already. In today's session we are going to learn about light. So what are we going to learn in this session? We are going to learn about light. So before starting the session, just observe these images. In this image you can see a candle. In this image you can see first there were two lamps, and then now we can see that it's a car. Now here you can see it's a lamp, and this is a street lamp or street light, we can say. So these were some images. Now imagine, आपको बस इतना सोचना है कि in the evening, मतलब आप शाम के वक्त, in the night or in the evening, you are reading a book. आप घर में क्या कर रहे हो? You are reading a book and suddenly power goes off. और suddenly क्या होता है? Power goes off मतलब लाइट चली जाती है. What will happen? What will happen? Suddenly everything will be dark, everything will be blank for you. You cannot see what you were reading. Can you read at that time also? क्या आप पढ़ सकते हो उस वक्त भी? No, you cannot. You, not only you, no one can read during that dark time. Or another thing, open your room during dark. आप क्या करो? बाहर से आए हो और आपने क्या किया? घर के रूम का दरवाजा खोल दिया, और उस वक्त क्या है? आपके रूम की लाइट ऑफ है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? यू विल यू सी दैट टाइम? नो, you are not able to see anything because everything will be dark, so you cannot see anything that time. Okay, so what is the conclusion in this? So conclusion is we need to have a light to see something. Means when light falls on any object, that time only we can see it. Just take anything, a water bottle, a phone or something, until and unless light falls on that particular object, we cannot see that object. So light is a very important thing to see something. Okay, so here you can see during daytime what is the source of our light, or what is the source by which we can see all these things? So during a daytime, sun is the main source of our light, or it is not only it is the main source of a light for every living thing which is present on the earth surface. But when it's dark, जब dark होता है, जब अंधेरा होता है, so we use different objects such as this lamp, such as candles, such as कोई छोटे चिराग लगाएंगे, कोई other things, or batteries, anything. So these objects are natural, right? No, these lamps and candles and all those things are man-made sources of light. Means we have created those sources for our convenience, for our pleasure, अपने help के लिए we have created those sources. So those sources are called man-made sources or indirect sources of light. First one, a direct source is a sun, which gives us a energy, which gives us a light, which gives us a heat. But during dark time, sun is not there. After sunset, we use different things such as a lamp, candles, street light, bulb, many things we use for a light. So these sources are called man-made sources or indirect sources of light. Understood? Okay. Now next point is luminous object. You might have heard this word, luminous. Luminous inverter भी होता है, जिसका सचिन तेंदुलकर एडवर्टाइज करता है, देखो. So likewise we have some objects like sun, a stars, or a tube light, or a bulb, or a lamp. These are examples that gives us a light. that gives us a light. So the objects that gives out a light or produce light are called luminous object. Objects that gives us a light or produce light are called luminous objects. मतलब क्या होता है, जिसमें से आपको लाइट बाहर आ जाए, जिसमें से आपको प्रकाश बाहर आ जाए. ओके, सो दोज आर कॉल्ड luminous object. Here you can see this is a lamp, this is a candle, this is a lighter, this is a laser battery, this is a bonfire or you can say fire, this is a watchtower, these are stars, again bulb, a sun, then here is another lamp, this is a matchstick, and this is a firefly or which is also known as lightning bug. जो काजवा होता है ना, जो रात के वक्त उसमें लाइट रहती है ना, that is called firefly or lightning bug. So what is meant by luminous objects? The objects that gives out a light or produce light are called luminous object. जिसमें से आपको लाइट मिलेगी या फिर जो लाइट जनरेट कर सकता है, those are called luminous object. luminous लाइट, जिसके पास में लाइट है वो क्या है, luminous है, और जिसके पास में लाइट नहीं है वो क्या है, non luminous. Yes, exactly. So the objects those that does not give out a light or produce light are called non luminous object. क्या हम लाइट जनरेट कर सकते हैं? आप मेरे चेहरे पे देखोगे तो मेरे चेहरे से लाइट निकल रही है? नो, सो आई एम नॉन लुमिनस. Likewise, a moon, a paper, a table, a pen. You take all those examples, okay? Like a kite, a bed, our pen, our bag. These are the objects that do not give us a light. वो क्या करते हैं, हमें लाइट देते हैं क्या? नहीं, they do not give us a light. That is why they are non-luminous object. Light नहीं है, non-luminous. Light है, luminous. So अब आप में से कुछ लोग बोलोगे सर सन तो लाइट देता है, ठीक है, बट मून भी लाइट देता है. नो, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. मून डज नॉट गिव्स अस इट्स ओन लाइट. मून को क्या है, उसका खुद का लाइट नहीं है. इट इज नॉन लुमिनस. एंड तो फिर बोलोगे वो रात के वक्त तो इतना चांद का उजाला होता है, इट गिव्स लाइट ड्यूरिंग डार्क. बट नो, वो क्या करता है, इट ओनली रिफ्लेक्ट्स the sun rays which are falling on that moon. मतलब जो सन रेज मून के ऊपर पड़ रहे वही रिफ्लेक्ट होके हमारे इधर आ रहे. That is why during a night time we see a little bit light from a moon, but moon is a non-luminous object. मतलब उसमें खुद का लाइट नहीं है. Okay, now observe this picture. A baby is there which is afraid of its own shadow. वो क्या कर रहा है, खुद की ही परछाई से डर रहा है. shadows means what, परछाई. so a shadow, how these shadows are generated or created, okay, or how these shadows appear. so these shadows appear because of the movement of the earth, rotation of the earth. okay, because sun is steady at one place. okay, so when you walk outside, the sun rays, okay, सन रेज क्या होते हैं, सनलाइट आपके ऊपर पड़ती है, और जैसे जैसे आप क्या करते हो, मूव करते हो, जैसे जैसे अर्थ रोटेट करेगी, द पोजीशन ऑफ सन चेंजेस, एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट you will observe that some silhouettes, this is called silhouette. okay, these silhouettes are there that are formed on the ground. silhouette मतलब एक black image will be created or generated on the ground, and this back silhouette is your shadow. वो जो back silhouette होता है उसको क्या करेंगे हम, shadow कहेंगे. shadow means आपकी परछाई. understood? okay, now how these shadows are formed, or how this silhouette is there and how that is formed. so that is formed because of the sunlight. when sunlight falls on the ground and something comes in between that path, और जो भी सन रेज आएंगे उसके अंदर अगर वो कुछ चीज आ जाती है, a shadow is formed when an object block a path of light. okay, So यहाँ पे देख लीजिए, you can see here this is the sun and sun rays are coming. Okay, so यहाँ पे कौन आया? That boy is there in between ground and the sunlight. So इसके ऊपर वो सनलाइट पड़ने की वजह से क्या हो गया, यहाँ पे उसका एक सिलर्ट जनरेट हो गया, दैट इज द शैडो ऑफ दैट बॉय. So during the evening time or during the morning time we will see the long shadows, but during the noon time means afternoon time, जहाँ पे sun will be straight on our head, जो आपके ऊपर होगा, that time shadows will be short. And always remember, shadows are always formed on the opposite side of the source of the light. जहां से लाइट आ रही है उसके अपोजिट साइड में उसका क्या हो जाएगा, शैडो हो जाएगा. लाइक इफ यू आर स्टैंडिंग एंड आई स्टार्टेड अ टॉर्च, आई टर्न ऑन अ टॉर्च, और आपके ऊपर में लाइट लगा रहा हूं, तो आपका शैडो मेरी तरफ आएगा, आपके पीछे जाएगा, इट विल go behind you. So shadow always formed from the opposite side of the source of the light. जहां पे लाइट आ रही है उसके अपोजिट साइड में क्या होगा, shadow will be formed. Understood? Okay, so here you can see this is the east and west, these are the directions, and this number is suppose a time, and that yellow is our sun. And now you can see as the sun is moving, here you can see the shadow of that one pole is changing its direction. Like here it is, the shadow is here, here it is, shadow is here, means the shadow is always formed to the opposite direction of the source of light. Understood? So source of light, which is the source of light here? It is sun.